Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to find your recordings, your screenshots on your HTC Vive headset. To do that, you just should press on the Vive button. It's here, as you can see. There is a Vive button, so click on it. And here, click Recent button. Click Recent. Then here on the Recent, you will see Go to Gallery button. Click on it. And cool. And wait a while. I need to try again. Oh, okay. So, and now I'm in my gallery. And here I have all my recordings, all my screenshots. As you can see, here is the things I've recorded. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.